Hi, I'm Sarab Kapoor. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to talk about something which everybody's confused about baking powder and baking soda. Now, both of them look alike, both are white, only baking powder is a little more powdery and baking soda is a little coarse. Baking soda is also called soda bicarbonate. You need to add some acid and some liquid. Acid meaning something sour like lemon, vinegar, or yogurt with water. So that helps activate the baking soda. Baking powder is a complete leavening agent. It has soda bicarbonate and acid in it. So you just need to add some liquid to it. It helps cakes to rise. So now you know you can't substitute one for the other. If you're substituting baking powder with soda bicarbonate, you have to use very little quantity, about a third of the quantity of baking powder. Baking soda need to be used with an acid and liquid. Baking powder, it's complete, only liquid.